welcome back to another video on my channel, Logan Speed Shop. As you just saw, got myself a new car. Bit of an unknown buy from the auctions, put a bid on it. I need it for another reason than normal. But yeah, here we are. We got a Lexus IS200, dark grey. I've always had a bit of a soft spot for these, and this one's actually in really good condition. It was a stolen recovered. I don't think there's going to be a key. I don't know if it's going to run. I don't really have a game plan with what I'm going to do with the car once I've finished with its other job. Apart from, I reckon, tidy it up, do a few demos on other things we can do with it, like cleaning up headlights, spotlights, and just how to make a car look a little bit fresher on the cheap. But the real reason I got this car was for a little side hustle I'm doing. Some of you will know now, I've started up a website, loganspeedshop.com, where I'm doing bulk kits for Lexus Silvias. Here we got 4 basic kits of what I've done. Got the boss barking in the background, being bloody annoying. But yeah, pretty simple, application specific, thread specific. Buy them, cheap enough, and they just work. The aim is to do a full package for Silvias, Skylines, then move on to Toyotas. So the IS200 works perfect as it is all the same as JZX's. So we'll get underneath of it. All the likes of these suspension bolts, all your diff bolts, absolutely any bolt that you could have apart, you could need replacing. That's what I'll do. I want anyone to be able to get one of these cars, Silvia, Skyline, whatever it is. Open to other requests as well, but yeah, buy them, buy my kits, put it all back together, and have a good reliable setup that looks clean. Before we can go try and do anything with this car, we need to get it cleaned up. At the moment it's filthy. There's junk everywhere. I'm guessing the boot's going to be the same. I haven't opened it up yet. Even just the floors, everything's... This car will need to get a deep clean. It is disgusting. It was a stolen recover, as I said, and yeah, it's just junk everywhere. Bin day, so at any point it could get cut short by having to run the bin out. But let's get it filled up. Let's see what we've got in here. Go for 2 different options as we go. If we can find stuff useful, let's keep it aside. Otherwise everything goes in the bin. Yoga mat, that'll be good for working under the car. Rags we don't need, bags we don't need. Oh wow, there is a smell too. What the hell is that? Soda stream bottle, yeah, we don't need that. Pen, some car cleaning shirt cover that can go back on there. Unsure why that would be off. Touch up paint, might need some of that on the front bumper, but I dare say that's standard. That's going to be no good. Got the jack. Wonder what that is. Reinforced, parking sets. Wow, she's full of water. Let's chuck this up there. Let's try to get everything out. Let's get this out of the way. Oh wow, that's a pond. Oh, come back to that when I've got 2 hands. Oh, VIN number lives back there. But yeah, we'll get that out. You can see the mould forming on the tyre. We'll find a grommet and get it out of the way, otherwise we'll drill a hole. Otherwise the car's tidy in the back here. It doesn't look like it's ever been in a hit. Let's move on to the front. Starting the passenger side, I guess. Original owner's manual, let's keep that. Some paper, a hat. Do we have glasses? No glasses. Come back to the glove box. Cooler bag. I reckon I should be wearing gloves for this. I'm not gonna. Hats. Whoever had this car, they like their hats. I don't want their hats. If you see something you want or like, bugger, it's probably in the bin. Another hat. Another 2 hats. I don't know if it's a good brand, don't care, it's in the bin. other stuff. Pens, lots of pens. That one looks fancy. Got a name on it. Might keep some pens. Always need them. Don't know what the fuck half this shit is. It can all go in the bin. Lid. But yeah, pretty relaxed process for cleaning up the car. I don't need any of this shit. I'll get rid of this a little bit and I'll come back to you. Actually, no, let's do the glove box quickly. See what we got in here. Oh, I got excited. It was the key or a spare. It's not. Got a garage door opener. Won't show that, but I have got the tag for the person that used to own it. I might get in touch with them, see if they want their garage door opener. But yeah, just absolute rubbish in the glove box, so that's okay. We'll get that out of the way, chuck it on the bin. The back seat, pretty much the same. Someone's come right through here. Not as much crap in the back, but yeah, we'll get that all cleaned out. Show you what it looks like without rubbish for it in a second. And now a proper walk around of the car. So yeah, IS200, dark grey, bit of a scuff on the bumper. Headlights nice and faded. Engine bay, I can't actually remember what these engines are. Well, there we are. 1 GFE. Leaky rocker cover, looks like it's been overfilled. Needs a good pressure wash. Otherwise, yeah, bay's good, no damage in the front, just faded headlights. Bloody stone chips all over her. But she looks good. Sidewise, go down here. See all the fingerprint dust, just needs a good clean. Oh yeah, fingerprint dust. Sunroof. Interior obviously still needs a vacuum, but got rid of all that junk out of the way. Sorry before I was a bit bloody frantic. Wanted to beat the bin guy. Yeah, front seats, back seats, not too bad. Really nice material. And they're heated, which is a bonus. Bloody Lexus on the dash. But yeah, overall it's nice. I'm happy with it. Body wise it's in really good condition. Also I might have had a little bit of a knock in the back at some point. The bumper's not quite on there perfect. The better looking of the tail lights, the black ones. Missing the eye, it's just a S200 now. Same. Fuel cap got the rubber stuck in there. Even got good tyres all around, makes it worth it. Little ding there, few scrapes, just bloody, they'll probably polish out a bit. But yeah, overall really good base. Like I say, really for me, it's measuring up all the likes of your bolts and just getting everything perfect for my kits. So what's the game plan going forward? I guess get it cleaned up, find out what she's really like. And to do that, I really need to get it around the front of the house and give it a good wash. Don't really want to do it around here. To do that, we've got to get a key. Spoken to a couple of locksmiths this afternoon, and I think I've got one that's going to come out, be able to cut the key and program it to the module, which will be good. That way I can make sure the engine runs, which I'm actually pretty confident it will. Haven't checked the oil, don't know what the condition of it yet is. Actually bugger it, let's do it now. Bloody thing. Dipstick. Looks loose, but no, it's not. Alright, dipstick out. All I'm going here is either black or golden. I'm happy. It's got oil and it's golden. Actually looks like it's been changed not too long ago. Not milky. I reckon she's going to start. I'm pretty bloody confident. Water. It's got water. It's got red coolant even. Should be good. I can see it's got power steering fluid there. I reckon I got myself a runner. Let's get the key cut, get it in there, get it tidied up. Probably pop the headlights out, do a bit of a video on cleaning them up, and just show you the transformation over a video as well of how it cleans up. Pull the seats out because it's bloody pretty bad in here, and get the vacuum, get the spray and wipe, just go nuts. Should be good. I'm excited for this one. Wow, it's nothing special, but yeah, it is. New car's always exciting. Follow me along, check out the website, and just keep going.